Ahlia. I am in grade 2. Today, we're going to discuss the phases of the moon. And first thing that we have to remember is that the Earth revolves around the Sun for 365 days or 1 year. And the moon orbits around the Earth for 29.5 days. Okay, start. So the first phase is called the new moon. So the new moon is when the moon is not visible from the Earth. This is because the bright part is facing the sun while the shadowed part is facing the Earth. So the next phase is called the waxing crescent. So, you notice that I said waxing. This is because the stage is called waxing stage. So, waxing means its illuminated part increases or gets bigger. So, let's move on. And this is called the first quarter. First quarter. The first quarter is when the bright part is facing the right side while the shadow part is facing the left side. And let's move on. So this is called the waxing gibbous. The waxing gibbous is when the moon waxes until it reaches the phase where it's a complete illuminated circle, which is called the full moon. So the full moon is when the moon is on one side of the Earth and the sun is on the other. And we see a full round circle. So, this is called the waning gibbous. And you notice that I said waning because the waning means the illuminated part decreases or gets smaller. So the waning gibbous is when after the full moon phase, it starts to go to its waning stage where its illuminated part decreases. So this is the third quarter. So the third quarter is when the lighted part is facing the left part and the shadowed part is facing the right part. So lastly, this phase is called the waning crescent. The waning crescent means that the bright part is at the illuminated part is at the left side of the moon and it is characterized as the C shape. We're done renaming these phases of the moon and remember again the moon completes its cycle for 29 and a half days. And do you know that my favorite phase of the moon is called the full moon? And this is because that I want it very bright and I can see it through my window. Again, this is Ahlia. Bye!